thought you used to say that we really had it all. Right now I've emptied all the hopes we made, 'cause there's something I forgot. Do you remember how our hearts were safe and our rose could only grow? Right now those memories have faded away and our flowers in the dry.